News break coming in on the meeting between Prime Minister Modi and the Bangladesh Chief Advisor Mohammad Yunus. Several issues that have been raised. Importantly, the first communication that's come in right now from Bangladesh, in which they've termed the meeting as constructive, productive and fruitful. Now, in fact, there was a discussion also on the Teesta water issue, on water sharing. That was brought up in this particular meeting as well. So the first communication from Bangladesh on the meeting, they've termed it as constructive, productive and fruitful. The statement is coming from the Chief Advisor, from Mohammad Yunus's press secretary. We also know that there was a discussion on Teesta water issue. We will await detail also of exactly what emerged from that particular meeting. All issues relating to bilateral ties, including Sheikh Hasina's extradition and border killings, the Ganges Water Treaty, Teesta water sharing, all of this came up in the dialogue. Now, importantly, also the issue of Sheikh Hasina being brought up as Bangladesh has been seeking her extradition. They've also reportedly raised the issue of how Sheikh Hasina has been making statements while being in Indian soil against the government currently in Bangladesh, against the regime. So that's been raised with India as well. What I'm reading out right now and the points that I'm making are based on the communication that's coming from Bangladesh, from Mohammad Yunus's press secretary, on exactly what transpired in the bilateral, the one-on-one meeting, the first one between Prime Minister Modi and Mohammad Yunus. Let's in fact get you some of those updates from the Bangladesh Chief Advisor's press secretary.
চিফ অ্যাডভাইজার মহোদয় ইন্ডিয়ার প্রধানমন্ত্রী শ্রী নরেন্দ্র মোদীর সাথে বৈঠক করেছেন এবং বৈঠকে আমাদের সাথে যে পারস্পরিক স্বার্থ সংশ্লিষ্ট যতগুলো ইস্যু ছিল সবগুলো নিয়ে কথা হয়েছে এবং আমরা আমাদের যেগুলো স্বার্থ সংশ্লিষ্ট যতগুলো বিষয় ছিল সবগুলো বিষয়ই আমাদের চিফ অ্যাডভাইজার মহোদয় সেই মিটিংয়ে বলেছেন। যেমন শেখ হাসিনার প্রত্যর্পণ বিষয়ে কথা হয়েছে, শেখ হাসিনা যে ওইখানে বসে অনেক ধরনের ইনসেন্ডিয়ারি কমেন্ট করছেন সেগুলো বিষয়ে কথা হচ্ছে। তারপরে বর্ডার কিলিং নিয়ে কথা হয়েছে। আমাদের দুই দেশের মধ্যে যে গাঞ্জেস ওয়াটার ট্রিটিটা আপনি জানেন যে নতুন করে এটার এক্সপায়ার হয়েছে, নতুন করে ট্রিটিটা হওয়ার আবার কথা হচ্ছে এবং তিস্তা ওয়াটার, এগুলো সবগুলো নিয়েই কথাবার্তা হয়েছে। আমি বলবো যে মিটিংটা খুবই কনস্ট্রাকটিভ, প্রোডাক্টিভ এবং ফ্রুটফুল হয়েছে।
Okay, so you heard there from the Bangladesh Chief Advisor's press secretary referring to the meeting as constructive, as productive and fruitful, listing out some of the issues that Bangladesh has raised in the bilateral. So we'll await word also from the Indian government on what India has spoken about with Bangladesh. Bangladesh on their part is saying they've spoken about Sheikh Hasina's extradition, about the kind of comments that Sheikh Hasina has been making about the current regime in Bangladesh. They also referred to the Teesta water sharing issue, saying that also came up in this meeting. Listen in once again to what the Bangladesh Chief Advisor's press secretary